Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the Crafty Author. Today is Sewing Talk Tuesday. I haven't done Sewing Talk Tuesday in a while, so I thought I would hop on here and do that again. So I just wanted to touch base with all of you and let you know what's upcoming for the channel. YouTube has been making some changes to YouTube channels. I won't go into it at this point in time, but it is affecting probably this channel a little bit, just because of the things that I make. So moving forward, I'm going to be more careful about things that I post on here. So with that said, we're going to get moving on here and we're going to talk about sewing stuff, because that's what this channel is. It's a sewing channel, sewing and quilting and crafting channel. I am getting ready to launch my 12 days of Christmas, which will be coming up. I'm going to be doing a bunch of different projects on this channel. So you will see more videos posted within the next couple of weeks than what I would normally post. It is exhausting. It is exhausting to film, make an entire quilt or project, and then have to edit it all and put it up. It's very cumbersome. A lot more work than I thought it would be. I don't know why. But anyway, I love it. So that's all that matters. What have I been up to here lately? I have just been sewing. I have made some bags that I've put in my Etsy shop to sew. I have some quilts in my Etsy shop that are ready to be sold. And I've just been enjoying life, you know, and posting twice a week. I hope you guys are enjoying the content that I've been posting. I know I've done a lot of table runners and placemats and napkin type things and also table centerpieces for the holiday season. I'm not going to stop with that. I will still be doing more. And I'm really excited to show you one in particular that we are going to do with the AccuQuilt Go. My channel is almost at 10,000 subscribers. So yay! Thank you for that. I appreciate all the love that you guys have given to me and continue to give to me. I have a huge giveaway coming up once I hit 10,000 subscribers here on YouTube. So I'm very excited about that. My channel has grown very quickly and I'm so grateful. And I'm excited, and I'm excited to give back to you guys. So I know you're going to love the giveaway that I have. I just know you are. So we are going to do the AccuQuilt. We're going to do a table runner with the AccuQuilt. And you're going to love that pattern because it is so cute. And I'm actually considering, if time permits, I might even put together some of the kits so that you can purchase them yourself and make them on your own with the AccuQuilt. Cut it out. Otherwise, you can just do it on your own. So I will show you how to do all of that, but that is coming up. Also, I am going to do something a little bit different in one of the videos. I am actually going to film myself decorating my home for Christmas. I'm going to show you what we do here at our house for it. And, you know, it's kind of funny. I don't go like all out on the outside. We do some on the outside, but we don't do like all the lights and things like that because our kids are grown now. But now that we have grandkids, we do a little bit of decorating, but not the lights. My husband hates getting on the roof. I wish he would. I want the Griswold family Christmas again, like when our kids were little. Oh, and speaking of, I don't think I've told you guys, but we are going to get a new family member in February of next year. So my daughter is expecting again, and we are really excited. So this will be baby number 2. And it's so great. And we're so excited about it. I can't wait. I love holding newborn babies. They're so precious, you know? So anyway, I am rambling, but that is the news. That's all that's been going on in my life. I have so much going on. The kids are moving. I'm helping my daughter pack because she's pregnant. And they're moving not too far from us, so that's really nice too. So they'll still be in state. I mean, it's just been crazy between that and work, because as many of you know, YouTube is not my full-time job. I do this because I love to make content and share it with you and teach you how to do things. I actually have a full-time job that I work as well. And sometimes that really gets very, very busy. And so sometimes it's hard for me to put things up as far as craft-wise or quilt-wise. So there's that. I keep this channel free. I do make a little bit of money off of YouTube, not much. Everything that I do make off of YouTube, I put it back into what we are doing. That's how I'm able to purchase supplies. I am hoping that YouTube will continue to do that. There's some real big issues going on with it right now, and I'm kind of worried because I can't do this for free. But I'm going to keep it for free as long as I possibly can. Okay. I'm just letting you know that right now. If you're interested in looking up what is happening with YouTube, you can go look at COPPA. It's COPPA. It has to do with the FTC and children. And so we have to be very careful not to market to children on our channels. Anyway, here's what I've been doing. I made another tutu, and it's adorable. Isn't that cute? Oh, so cute. This is for my neighbor's granddaughter. She asked me to make her one, so I have. And then I made a little matching hair bow to go along with it. Isn't that just adorable? And I'll be making a matching top to go with it. So I found some really cute heat transfer vinyl that's green and glittery, just like this. And also it's got a little bit of, I found some pink heat transfer vinyl too that's real sparkly. So I'm really excited to put that on there. Also, I am going to show you how to make, as part of one of the 12 days of Christmas, I'm going to make a rag quilt out of fleece as a Christmas gift for my grandson. So I'm going to be using this fabric and this really super, super soft fabric. Now I have a funny story about this one, this fabric, because I took my husband shopping with me at Joann's to get this fleece, right? And fleece was 60% off. And so we go to check out and we leave, and my husband's like, why was that so expensive? He's like, it's supposed to be 60% off. And I looked at the price or the receipt, and come to find out, this particular fleece here, because it's the really, really soft stuff on both sides, it wasn't 60% off. It was $25.99 a yard. And I bought 2 yards of it. My husband was about ready to have a heart attack. It was the funniest thing ever. And I was like, oops. Because I told him, well, just get it anyway. So anyway, there's that. So that's really about it, guys. That's all I've got for today. So if you'd like to follow me on social media, the links are down below in the description box. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Click the little bell and you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. Currently, I'm uploading 3 times a week. So you don't want to miss anything, and you really don't want to miss any of the Christmas projects. I'm telling you right now, we're going to be doing some cool stuff. We're going to be doing wreaths. We're going to be doing quilts. We're going to be doing tutus. I'm going to be doing a whole bunch of stuff. And I'm even going to have my mom as a special guest, and she's going to show you how to make something as well. So don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to click that little bell. And that is it for me today. Keep on crafting. Until next time, I'll see you. Bye-bye.